Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate having you here. We got some pretty exciting stuff to show you. We went down to Lake Murray, which is just on the south end of Oklahoma. It's about an hour and a half from us. We're out here in the DFW area. Yeah, we had a great time. Just a lot happened. We got a lot of great footage for you. It's pretty tight. So let's just go ahead and hop right in it. Show you what we got.
He's getting you. Huh? He's getting you. Just keep it running.
Like Jello.
That sucks. Mine's good.
I would be pissed if I lose my Crocs. Hold on.
Got me dirty, Jake.
Huh?
You got me dirty.
Belt's like, I'm hating life.
Sure you don't want the winch?
Yeah, Brennan's coming.
So, you know, we got out there. Trip was fantastic. You know, there was a ton of clouds, but it's whatever. It kind of kept it cool. It was like in the mid 80s, which was perfect with a slight cloud coverage, and it was just really nice. That first hole Brennan went into was just nasty, soupy, and you know, like, you got to give him props. That snorkel worked out great, and unfortunately, you know, he had to be winched out. But hey, man, like sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. And then, you know, my buddy Kendall out here was just letting it eat. That Can-Am was putting in work, and you know, he got up out of there. But after all this, you know, we got down there. Jacob got stuck in that one hole, and I'm talking as soon as we, you know, winched him out and we were putting the cable back in, that's when the rain started.
I was lying on the grass of Sunday morning of last week, indulging in my self-defeat. My mind was thugged, all laced and bugged, all twisted, wrong and beat. Uncomfortable, 3 feet deep. Now the fuzzy stare from my being there, the confusing morning week. Impair my tribal lunar speak. And of course you can't become if you only say what you would have done. So I missed a million miles
Which side? What's your intake torque side on? Which two are your snorkel intakes? Lean it towards the other side.
Brendan, just jump off of it. My foot's stuck. Jump and it'll float. I'm about to say, try jumping off. Hop off of it on your that side.
It's a I'm sinking bad.
Yeah, it's bad.
Brendan's gonna lose his crops. Take him off.
Are you having a bad time? Why does he get help and I didn't?
Oh, this one costs more than this. This is straight way. Hold on, lose my shoe. I told you. Hold on, dude. I'm out. There's no ball. I'm fucking scared.
Quicksand.
I'm about to have to swim out of here. God damn it. Stop.
Hold on to it right now.
Trying to find somewhere to put my fucking foot.
Brendan, get down the side.
Overall, we had a great time. Lake Murray is always fun. To be honest, to me, with the rains coming like that, was perfect. It kept the sand from getting all, dusty and in the air. And I just had a great time. I mean, we were slipping and sliding and just letting it eat. It was fantastic. Yeah, I got stuck. I got stuck on that one hill, and it's mainly because I couldn't stand up on the bike. There was that one section where I was helping Brendan get out. I got so sandy and just muddy all over the bike and in my legs and stuff. Anytime I tried to stand up, I kept sliding back. That's why I was against that wall. But and then I got Ben and Ben and Kendall just eating it up there. So yeah, overall great experience. If you've never been to Murray, I would highly suggest it. It's real cheap. I think it's $10 a rider, and I don't think you're allowed to ride after dark. So right now in the summer, you're allowed to be out there till about, I think, 9 o'clock. But you can camp. There's campsites. It's no big problem. Lake Murray is always fun. Go check it out. I got a little something here, to ease us out. But we look forward to you in the next one. It really helps us if you would subscribe. We're going to try to get some more trips in. We're going to try to get you some more content. It's been real hard with the COVID, but we're getting there, and hopefully we can get this channel a little bit more built. But we'll see you in the next one, and peace.
You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it.